Honestly, tell me, can you teach somebody how to build startup?
Every year 1 million, लगभग ये सब लगभग है, 1 million white collar jobs are created.
Okay.
There are 8 to 9 million undergrads who graduate every year. So already you're seeing the mismatch. 1 million versus 8 to 9 million who are graduating.
हर job available के लिए 9 graduates.
9 graduates ready with degree every single year. तो उसमें से लगभग 15% आज की तारीख में IT से आता है. I think 40% GCC से आता है, which is Global Capability Centers. So essentially 15% currently startup से आता है.
Okay.
Which is a large number. I mean, 15% startup से आता है. 10% banking से आएगा. I would say only 5% comes from manufacturing. 3% is government, and then 7% is others, and somehow 100% आपका
startups are bigger than governments.
Startups are bigger than government. So startups currently are 15% of the 1 million that gets added. Now, if you think about it,
startups ज़्यादा job create कर रहे हैं than government.
Yes.
Then manufacturing, then banking.
If you think about the pool also, right? 10 years पहले 1-2 लाख लोग काम करते थे, आज 20 लाख लोग काम करते हैं startups में. So 10 साल पहले 1 लाख, आज की तारीख में 20 लाख. Like that, pretty sick. That growth has been like insane. और ये जो percentage है ना, by the way, 15%, ये कम है as compared to some of the other countries. So if you compare this to a China and the US, there the numbers are like 70%. Like that's the. But see, also, I mean, startups is not the right way to look at it because there can be a manufacturing startup also. Now let me quote a number to you. ये मैंने जब पढ़ा, मतलब मेरा दिमाग चलना बंद हो गया था. Let's look at unemployment rates. Okay. People who don't have a degree, unemployment rate is 3%. People who, and all of these are official figures, people who have a degree, unemployment rate is 30%. Okay. IITians who graduated in 2024, unemployment rate is 40%.
What are you saying?
When you get a degree, your expectation of what you should get out of a job, the salary that you should get, goes up. And there is no clear data on this. But essentially, my hypothesis, or what I can draw out of this data, which is insane, is that the quality or the payment that people get in white collar jobs is a massive long tail. The number of jobs that will be paying you more than 5 lakh are less than 2%. So less than 20,000 of all the jobs that exist out there. Massive problem. So it's very weird. The more you study, the more unemployed you are. And that's because the quality of these jobs in India is very, very, very substandard at current rate.